Hello everyone, this video will show the Q1 TDS e-return file generation process through Saral PayPack. Before creating the return file, update your software to the latest version. Also, ensure that the relevant challans have been paid for the month and the details are available. Let's begin. Go to the TDS details menu and click on e-return. In the e-TDS window, select the quarter for which the return file has to be prepared and click on the e-return tab. Click on challan and enter the challan details of all the 3 months as available to you. Next, select the enter challan and click on verify from ITD. In the pop-up window, the financial year and TAN will be pre-filled. Enter the login credentials for the ITD TAN login and click on verify challan. The challan will be verified against the ITD challan details and the verification status will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, verify the remaining challans too. On completing the verification, continue to import the deduction details. Before importing the deduction details of the Q1, a one-time setting should be done. Go to the setting option under the general tab and enable the required settings. Next, go to the deductor option and update the details if needed. Note that these settings are done only before the Q1 data import or when related information changes. Now, click on Port Data to port the deduction details. Enter the payment and deduction dates manually or use the default date settings to pre-fill the dates. Also, enable the required options and click on Port. The ported deduction details can be viewed at the deduction under the e-return tab. Go to the challan and link the deduction to the related challan by clicking the link deduction option. Here, filter month-wise deduction, which will display the deduction for the particular month. Select all the deductions, verify the challan and link amounts and click on link. Similarly, do the link for all 3 months. After linking all the deductions, go to the e-return option and click on download CSI from IT. You will be again asked to provide the ITD deductor login details. Enter the details and click on download CSI. The CSI file will be downloaded and placed in the required field. Now, enter the token number of the previous regular statement and click on e-return. The details will be validated with the latest FVU utility and the validation output will be displayed on screen. On clicking OK, a folder containing the FVU file and the Form 27A required for the e-TDS return filing will be displayed. Here, we complete the e-TDS return file generation process for Q1 in Saral PayPack. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.